bass player. All right, everybody. We're talking about the extension of an embellishment on the A chord. And in a previous video, we were just doing our ring finger on the E string, 2nd fret, and I was pressing in on the 2nd and 4th beat, rhythmic intensity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now extending that a little farther, and again, all the action with this embellishment is on the E string. I am pressing in 1 on the 2nd beat. 3rd beat, I'm taking my baby finger and I'm pressing in on the 3rd fret. Then I'm releasing it. So here's a key part of this. When we lay our ring finger down, hold it down. So we're going to have a second or two where we're going to have 2 fingers on the same string. It's actually pretty darn efficient. So watch here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing applies to a D7 or a D chord. We'll do a D7. Now here's the basic embellishment. Watch my ring finger. Now ask yourself, how is she going to take that a little farther? Same idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the A. E7. D7, I'm just sliding. 1, 2, 3, 4. E7. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A. This is one way. There's a gazillion things that we can do with this. And that's just one way. And see where you can take this in a new direction and share that with us as well.